So I think I've done two to three posts on LinkedIn. Oh, I got an invite. I'm doing it tomorrow. I have a roundtable. I'm a roundtable speaker for LinkedIn Sales Solutions. It's their sales navigator community. So I mean, being invited to that just means like, oh, she knows her stuff, right? Like she has something to offer and gives just me credibility. So that's one, which I'm excited. It's like already 200 people in that webinar tomorrow. And second, I think the biggest thing, like a tangible thing, was having that new account that I have. It's a big telco in Asia. I had a presentation with the CEO yesterday, and that's what you said, Charlotte. I started first with a trusted advisor. Like, okay, is this where your vision is? And he was like, oh my God, you're spot on. That's where I want to go. All my account managers, I want them to be a trusted advisor. And and then after that, I started talking about the framework because I didn't want to show the HR person was there, all the sales leaders and him, but the decision sits on him. And I was presenting what a framework looks like, but I just played the GIF, Lorraine, Charlotte. I just played it because he only has 30 minutes. Said I only have 30 minutes. I have so much to share. So I just played the GIF while talking him through the framework, and I said, the curriculum will be based on this framework, and I gave him a little snippets of some of the stories, breakout sessions, and all of the things that we had. And then I said, so okay, so what do you think? And he stepped back like this, and then was like, "You just blew me away. Let's go. Let's do this." He goes like that, and I'm like, "Okay." So look at your calendar. So now it's pegged at March 19. I'm gonna fly to Fiji and I'm gonna run this 5-day trainings, right? So that's my biggest story of the week.